And then there were three. A third woman has come forward saying that a San Jose cop arrested for indecent exposure was inappropriate with her, too. Officer Matthew Dominguez was initially arrested and put on leave after complaints that he masturbated in front of a family during a police call to their home. Then last week, we spoke exclusively with a woman who claims Dominguez groped her while she was in custody. And now another woman is talking to NBC Bay Area's Robert Honda.
Well, today's legal actions will raise the stakes in what happens with Officer Dominguez and the city of San Jose in the courtroom, because as you'll see, people who made similar accusations against Dominguez in the past that didn't go anywhere may get more attention this time around. 25-year-old Jennifer Rodriguez reported what she calls an aggressive sexual assault by San Jose police officer Matthew Dominguez after a Memorial Day party in Campbell last year. She says it happened while Dominguez was off duty at the home of another officer. She says a drunken Dominguez grabbed her breasts while pretending to admire her hair.
It was a little too much on my breasts. And then I kind of pulled away, leaned towards the right, and he grabbed my inner thigh and tried to play footsie with me and tried to grab my hand.
Encouraged by her boyfriend and other officers, she reported the incident to the independent police auditor, and the complaint made its way through Internal Affairs, Campbell Police, and finally the DA's office. But she's just been told prosecutors didn't think they had enough to bring charges and that the statute of limitations is about to run out on the case.
So it makes me feel helpless and makes me feel like I shouldn't believe in the justice system.
Rodriguez reached out to us after hearing our story of another woman who has come forward claiming Rodriguez groped her while she was handcuffed during a DUI arrest in December. Today, her attorney filed a legal motion and planned to issue a subpoena to force Dominguez to testify in court.
I think that it's necessary in this case for Officer Dominguez to take the stand and talk about what he did, what's on camera and what's not.
Dominguez did not return our request for an interview.
The DA is going to look at all of these cases that are coming forward against Officer Dominguez in light of his criminal prosecution in June. And yes, there will be potentially more charges filed.
Will it give you much satisfaction if he is taken to court for other cases?
Definitely. And that's why I'm trying to put my face out there, my name, so women don't have to be afraid to do the same because it's a cop.
The new legal motion will be heard in court just 2 days after Dominguez is officially charged in his indecent exposure case. Each case will have its own individual complications that need to be worked out, and things could get even messier if more potential victims come forward. In San Jose, Robert Honda, NBC Bay Area News.
Thank you, Robert.